Now, as we head into tomorrow, on the downside, ideally, we want to see ES holding above the 66, 40 to 50 area. Ideally in the overnight session, you want to see the market holding above 66, 40 to 50. That would be now a sign of stability. And a breakdown below it would be a sign of weakness. And then on the downside, we can use the 66.11 to 22 as the bias confirming zone as key support. And if that gets taken out, then we can get long liquidation. Because now that the Fed decision is out of the way, if the market breaks down now, it'll just be more significant, right? It will have a greater impact on market structure. It'll be more meaningful. So usually moves on Fed day are not like the real tell. The real tell usually comes day after FOMC. If you look back at prior FOMC days, we've had situations where the market has sold off on Fed day, and the next day it has completely reversed. Like there have been mirror days. And just as well, we've seen rallies that have completely fallen apart the next day. So Fed day certainly gives us some information. And because the movement that happened today, the false breakdown, is in alignment with our overall directional bias, just demands some merit and demands that we pay attention to that. But I think that now the key question is whether buyers can maintain the control and then not only maintain it, but reaffirm the bullish time frame alignment via breaking out to a new all-time high. Because now, in order for anyone who is long to stick with their long position, I think ES needs to make a new high. And if it fails to do so, if it struggles up here, then the market starts accumulating more and more risk. And the more we delay the break to a new all-time high, the more people get sucked into the long side. And that means that if we don't break out and the market ends up breaking down eventually, then you have even more people caught on the wrong side of the trade. So as we go into overnight and tomorrow, our short-term bias will still be neutral bullish. In order for the short-term bias to now become bullish again, and for bullish time frame alignment to get renewed, we need to see a sustainable breakout to new all-time highs. Until then, we need to be more defensive